Hi, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to find solution to the question on the board, which says that we should evaluate the integral spanning from 0 to 2 of x over the square root of 1 plus x dx. So come along as we find solution to this simple looking problem. So, if we have the integral spanning from 0 to 2 of x over the square root of 1 plus x dx, we can rewrite this as the integral spanning from 0 to 2 of x over 1 plus x exponent half dx. Now, anytime we meet an integration problem, we need to find out which integration will help us to solve the problem. So look, when we differentiate x, we'll get 1. We will not get this x here. So it may look like using integration by substitution will not work. However, it will work. Why? Because we can find x in terms of any variable we let it to be equal to 1 plus x. So look at it. So we'll let u to be equal to 1 plus x. In that case, making x the subject, our x will be equal to u minus 1. That's bringing the 1 to this side. Now we can differentiate this in terms of x. So du over dx will be equal to 1 differentiate 1 is 0. 1 differentiate x will get 1. Now we'll cross multiply. Our du will be equal to dx. So since the du is equal to dx, and we know x to be u minus 1 and u to be 1 plus x, we substitute those necessary things. So we can say the integral spanning from 0 to 2 of x all over 1 plus x exponent half dx. Before we let it to be equal to that, let's find the limiting value for u. So remember, when s is equal to 0 from here, our u will be equal to 1 plus 0. So u will be equal to 1. Then when s is equal to 2, our u will be equal to 1 plus 2, and that will be 3. So having gotten that, we can say the integral spanning from 0 to 2 of x all over 1 plus x exponent half dx will be equal to the integral spanning from 1, that's when s is 0, u is 1. So, and when s is 2, u will become 3. So spanning from 1 to 3 of, in place of x, we substitute u minus 1. So u minus 1 over, now 1 plus x is u. So we can say u exponent half. Then our dx is du. So du. So having gotten our equivalent integral, now we will evaluate that. So we can say the integral spanning from 1 to 3. This can be rewritten as u over u exponent half minus 1 over u exponent half du. Then remember, this u is exponent 1, so we can rewrite this as the integral spanning from 1 to 3 of u exponent 1 minus half, since it is dividing using indices, then minus this will be u exponent negative half using indices du. So say this is integral spanning from 1 to 3. Now 1 minus half is half, so u exponent half minus u exponent negative half du. Now from here we integrate this term by term. Remember, simple integration rule say we add 1 to the exponent and divide the function by the result. So the integral of this will be u exponent half plus 1 over half plus 1, then minus u exponent negative half plus 1 over negative half plus 1. Substituting from 1 to 3. So now we have half plus 1 will be 3 out of 2. This will be 3 out of 2 as well. Then minus negative half plus 1 will be half. So u exponent half over negative 1 plus 1, which is also half. Then substituting from 1 to 3. So when we reciprocate this, we get 2 over 3, u exponent 3 over 2. Then the same to this, we get 2 u exponent half. Then we'll substitute from 1 to 3. So in substituting, since this is definite integration, we'll say this will be 2 out of 3, 3 exponent 3 over 2 minus 2, 3 exponent half in one bracket, then minus 2 over 3, 1 exponent 3 over 2 minus 2 bracket 1 exponent half. So we can rewrite this as 2 over 3, 3 exponent 3 times half, then minus 2, 3 exponent half minus, now any number, 1 exponent, any number is still 1, so we have 2 over 3 here, then minus 1 exponent half will be 1 times 2 will be 2. So from here we can say this is 2/3, 3 exponent 3 is 27, so we can say 27 exponent half minus 2, 3 exponent half, then minus, we can find the LCM here. The LCM there is 3. 3 into itself will be 1 times 2 will be 2. 1 into 3 will be 3 times 2 will be 6. Then we can rewrite this as 2 over 3. 27 exponent half is the same as the square root of 27 minus 2 the square root of 3. 3 exponent half is this. Then minus 2 minus 6 here will give us negative 4 out of 3. So we can write this in set form. So 2 over 3, the square root of 27 is 9 times 3 minus 2 root 3. Then this will give us plus 4 out of 3. So the square root of 9 is 3. So we have 2 over 3 times 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3, then plus 4 out of 3. So this 3 will divide that. We have 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, then plus 4 out of 3. So look at this, 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 will be 0. So we just have 0 plus 4 out of 3, which is equal to 4 out of 3. So we can conclude that our problem, that's the integral spanning from 0 to 2 of x over the square root of 1 plus x ds is equal to 4 over 3. I hope you get this. Please, if this helped you in any way, like, comment, and subscribe to my video if today is your first time of watching me. Until we meet again, this is Rich Brain.